So I'm Randi Weingarten, and I'm on P Street in Washington, D.C. today on the anniversary, the 1-year anniversary when Starbucks workers started to organize. And I am with these terrific, amazing baristas who want to be respected. They want predictable schedules. They want decent wages and health care, just like every other worker in America. And they know the way to get it is to have a union. So 260 stores have organized unions. And what has Howard Schultz done instead? He has become the union buster, the kind of union buster that we thought we saw in the 1920s. We say to Howard, respect your workers. Respect their want to have a union. Respect who they are. Stop hurting them. They've made you a boatload of cash over these years. Respect them for it. Don't be a bully and don't be this kind of Scrooge. Respect them and give them and recognize their union. And this is what we say in the labor movement. Together, we can accomplish a whole lot more than we do alone. And that's why the AFT, not just the coffee lovers, but all the AFT is standing with the baristas of Starbucks as they fight for a union.